Hi everyone, welcome to shsirclasses. Today in this video we have to draw a circle of radius 5.8 centimeter or diameter 11.6 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to draw here the radius 5.8 centimeter. So the starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 5.8 centimeter. And we know that radius of a circle is half of the diameter of the circle. So this is 5.8 centimeter. Now taking here a point. Next, taking the length 5.8 centimeter by using compass by this way and putting the compass on the point, and now drawing here a arc by this way, and which represent a circle with radius 5.8 centimeter. So now joining this one, and this is the radius of the circle. So taking here the center O and here A. So OA equal to 5.8 centimeter. So therefore radius OA equal to 5.8 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, then share it with your friends.